Put the baby in. Start it up. Uh-oh. All aboard.
Wait a minute. Let's put the captain in, or what is that? What's the captain? What do you call her?
Conductor?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you got Miss Potato Head. What happened to the rest of it? Whoa. Here comes the conductor. Uh-oh, Mrs. Potato Head lost an arm. Oh. Big accident.
Okay, hit the button.
Hit it. Start it up. Start it up. Move out of the way.
Out of the way.
It doesn't go fast enough for her. Go get it. You got it. This thing's gonna be heavy.
Okay, hit the button.
Start it up.
You gotta hit the button.
Start it up. Gotta put glasses on the back of your head.